Morning. We're checking in down from Florida. We are going on quite an adventure today. Going offshore with Captain Jason Diver. Looking forward to it. We're just getting everything ready. It is way too early. Connor hates his life.
I didn't really sign up for a 350 wake up on vacation, but...
Vacation. You're never actually on vacation.
Well, I haven't checked the time once since I've been here, so that's vacation.
Well, our only saving grace is we were promised roller dogs.
No roller dogs!
Might just turn around to 180.
You think you're gonna pull something out, dude?
Oh, I'm gonna pull something out.
You better.
I'm pulling something today.
Don't trip. We don't gotta let them in. Don't trip.
Gotta get the BCs number
Let it
one.
go, but it never go with. Yeah, okay, cool as fall weather. Fuck the bullshit, I'm here to make it all better with a little music for you. I don't do enough for you. Without you, it's the color blue. Oh, no shit. I was in the city, they was talking that shit.
Yeah, good job.
Living out of Southern Nation. We ain't even worried, we just laughing, that's rich. You know how it goes, it ain't broke, don't fix. Hey, one of these days will
Got him, boys. He went right to the prop, and I was like, don't you dare do that. We just saw hammerhead, which was so cool. I was reeling in a fish. He came in on the back of it. I got the fish out of the water in time, and then he stayed right by us, and we kept trying to go after him. So, Captain Jason over here says, what do you say?
Said a lot of things.
What about hammerhead? He hates sharks.
Hate sharks, but that is one of the top 3 sharks that are actually super cool, just because of how rare they are. In all my years, maybe seen 4 or 5, caught 2 or 3.
And there's no glory without a little pain. Oh.
That is a fat one.
Yo. Cooler full of fish. What's better than that? Hey, y'all.
I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip. We don't gotta let
We're feeling so good. Look, we got a box full of fish that we now have to figure out what we're gonna do with. But I'll tell you what, that's a good problem to have. Having a box full of fish. I don't know where they're gonna go. We don't have a freezer big enough back home. I think I'm gonna be buying a Yeti tomorrow morning and a vacuum sealer and some dry ice and shipping them home.
It's a very good day.
You got back up. You're so in tight right now.
We saw a bunch of sharks, dolphins, caught a bunch of fish, some huge grouper. It was a very good day. We got a bunch of different options, not just the 43. We got a 35 contender, 35 Freeman, 37, up to this, the 43. So lots of different price ranges and trip durations and all that. So you name it, we can do it.
Yeah, but the 43 is sick, so you should definitely do it.
Yeah.
Absolutely go on the 43.
It's very worth it. And that's the only way you're coming with me personally. So.